welcome back. This video is for agency license holders only. In this video, I'll show you how to rebrand the TV Boss Fire platform and how to use it on your own domain if you wish to. First, you need to click on your name in the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings. First thing you need to do, if you want to use the platform on your domain name, you need to create a CNAME and point it to tvbossfire.com. If you don't know how to do that, you can follow this link in the tutorial here and we'll show you how some of the most commonly used platforms. But the process should be the same for any platform you use to host your domain name. After you've made the setup, wait about 24 hours and after that you'll be able to log in using your branded domain. You can also change the icon and all the branding images you see on TV Boss Fire platform. You can see all the required images. For the icon, you should use 512 by 512 a PNG image. I already prepared the branding images, so it's easy, just as easy as uploading them really. You need to set up a support desk link. Let's use a random one. You also need to set up an email for your support. Let's use the same as the domain in this case. And you need to give a name to your support desk. When you've finished, just click apply. As you can see, all the images are changed and also I can log in using the branded domain. I will have the exact same dashboard that I have here, but I'm on my own domain. When you add a user into your agency account, if you wish to, you can give them your new branded login URL to access the platform. It's a very short video, but it's important for those who have the TV Boss Fire agency license. This way you'll basically hide that you use TV Boss Fire and you can have your branding on the page. I hope it's easy to understand and easy to do. See you in the next video.